Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making Basbousa. It is a Mediterranean cake recipe. It's a delicious and easy recipe. Take 1 cup of semolina, or it is also called suji, and 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut in a bowl. To this I am adding half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Also add just a pinch of salt. Mix them well. Now the wet ingredients. Take 1 cup of thick yogurt in a bowl. Add half a cup of melted butter. You may use ghee or melted butter, or you can use any unflavored vegetable oil. Now half a cup of sugar. Here I am using a raw sugar. It's not brown sugar, it is raw sugar. Take half a teaspoon of cardamom seeds and grind along with sugar. Now add this ground sugar powder to yogurt and melted butter. Whisk all these into a smooth mixture. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence or rose essence. Here I am using rose essence. Now whisk all these again. Now add the semolina coconut mixture into this yogurt mixture. So basically we are adding the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Blend them all together. If the batter is in a very loose consistency, you can add little bit of semolina, but this is in a good consistency. Keep this aside and prepare the baking pan. Apply some butter to the pan. Apply some to the sides also. Now add the semolina batter into this pan. Keep it about 1 inch thickness. If you have more batter left, you can use in another cup. Keep it in about 1 inch thickness. If you have too much batter, you can pour it in a different cup and bake it. Tap the pan a few times so it will settle down without any air gaps. You can give cut marks on the batter and put some almond seeds or pistachios. Now bake this at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes in the preheated oven. While the basbousa is baking, let us prepare some sugar syrup. Add 1/4 cup of raw sugar to half a cup of water and let the sugar melt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of rose essence or vanilla essence. You may turn off the stove when the sugar is melted. The cake is baked perfectly. If you put a toothpick in the center, if it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Let it cool down for about 10 minutes. When it is cooled off, cut it into squares or diamonds. The basbousa came out very soft. You can pour the sugar syrup over the basbousa. You can actually Pour the syrup while it is in the baking tray. Beautiful basbousa cake is ready. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page and visit my Telugu channel. We will meet in my next video. Thank you all.